The members of the Shillong All-Faith Forum met Meghalaya Chief Secretary Donald Philip Walang to discuss about issues faced by the border residents of Meghalaya with Assam. SAF Vice President N. Bhattacharjee informed that they have apprised the Chief Secretary about the situation, even as they have stressed that peace should prevail not only in the state but also in the borders. Meanwhile, SAF President Reverend Bishop Purely Lingdaw said that Shillong has been and is a land of peace. Lingdaw said that even the media has the responsibility to build up peace and harmony in the state.
This is our appeal to all residents of the state. It is for us, members of SAF, and together with all of you media people, you have a great responsibility. Pimpinan ka kamaram, kung nabungin yatay, build up ya ka jing sok, ya ka jing along, ya ka jing soto, ya ka jing along kaway, haganiga, jala ka jome. It is only with peace and harmony that we can live together, we can grow together, we can prosper together. Kalau pengidon ke jiusuk, ke jingga long kawai, ke jingga soto jemut, nilap banya emlang, nilap salang, nilap banya sanlang, nilap banya roy, nilap banya roy yapala.